Okay, I wanted to take a moment and show you how you can make your own homework calendar that's going to be really helpful to you. So you want to start by going to the school's website. So you're going to do that at ntps.org. From there, you want to go to schools and select Monroe Middle School. You will be on your teacher's website, so you want to select the tab that says Teacher Websites. You're going to search for your teacher. So let's say your teacher is Ms. Kane. You will search Kane, and there I pop up. I'm the only one. On my teacher site, you then want to go to my homework calendar. So it's over here on the right-hand side. So you're going to select homework calendar. Now the homework calendar is actually a Google Calendar. So you want to add this Google Calendar to your own Google Calendar. And you're going to do that by hovering over this plus sign. And it says add to Google Calendar. I find Google to be really easy to use because if you just hover for a second, it usually tells you what the buttons are doing. So be a little patient and read, and it will usually answer your own question for you. So I'm going to hit add to my own calendar, and then it now opens a new tab of Google Calendar. And it says it actually already exists because, yeah, it's my calendar. But if it didn't, it would add it into here. Now over here on the side, you can see you have many different calendars here. You may have calendars that were already generated for previous Google Classrooms that you were a part of. You can go in here and you can X out of them, or by hitting the X button to unsubscribe, or you can hide them from the list. You can also change the color that they will appear here. So you want to go to all of your core classes, maybe your related arts classes as well, and add those calendars to your own calendar. You will also then be able to add your own events simply by clicking on the date, and then you can add, maybe you have a homework to do an Achieve article, and you'll be able to save it and add it in here. This is a really great way that you can stay organized. Any assignments that are posted by your teacher will already appear here. And we know that staying organized is the greatest way to make yourself a success. Please do this for all your classes and have a good year.